Welcome to Unlock English Through Stories, a space where words become feelings and learning becomes something beautiful. Today's video is not a lesson. It's a reminder that your brain already knows how to learn English. You just need to understand. Have you ever thought about this? You speak your first language, native language, so easily. You don't think about grammar rules. You don't translate in your head. You just speak. But when it comes to English, it suddenly feels hard. You freeze. You forget words. You feel like a different person. Why? Is English really that difficult? No. The truth is, your brain already knows how to learn a language. It has done it before when you were a child, and it can do it again. But this time, you have to trust the process. Because the human brain does not learn through pressure. It doesn't grow in fear. It grows in silence, in listening, in emotion. That's how babies learn. Not by memorizing, but by feeling. Not by repeating rules, but by hearing real words in real life. And the same principle works for you. The brain doesn't want a list of vocabulary. It wants meaning. It wants connection. When you listen to a story, something changes. The brain wakes up. It listens not just with the ears, but with the heart. You hear a man walking through the rain. You feel the sadness in his steps. You don't just learn the word rain. You experience it. And this experience is what creates real memory. That's why stories are powerful. They are not just a method. They are medicine for your learning mind. Because when you're lost in a story, you stop thinking about grammar. You stop worrying about mistakes. You just listen. You imagine. You feel. And that's when language truly enters your brain. Not from outside, but from deep within. You see, language is not something you study. It's something you absorb, like sunlight on your skin, like music in your soul. Like a mother's voice in a child's first days. This is not just psychology. It's how your brain is wired. When you hear a story, many parts of your brain become active. Not just the language center, but also memory, emotion, even movement. Your brain doesn't just listen to the words. It lives them. That's why you remember stories, not rules. And if you make stories your main method, you'll learn faster, you'll remember longer, and you'll enjoy the process. So here's a gentle truth. You don't need more grammar books. You need more connection, more imagination, more feeling. Because your brain is not a machine. It's a garden. And stories are the rain. They feed the soil of your mind. They help words grow. They make learning beautiful. So next time you listen to a story in English, don't try to understand everything. Don't stop after one time. Let it repeat. Let it flow. Let it become part of you. Because understanding is not a moment. It's a process. And fluency? Fluency is not about speaking fast. It's about feeling free. Free to express. Free to think. Free to be in a new language. And you, yes you are already on that journey. So don't rush. Don't worry. Just keep listening. Let the stories guide you. Let your brain remember how it once learned. Let English become a part of your story. Because the best way to learn is the way your brain already knows. And your brain was born for language. So if this message touched something inside you, if you felt even a little spark, let it grow. Listen to more stories, right here on Unlock English Through Stories. Each one is made to help your mind learn naturally and your heart feel deeply. If you found value in this, please take a moment to like this video. Subscribe so you don't miss the next story that could change your journey, and share it with someone who's also trying to find their way in English. Because sometimes all we need is the right story at the right time. And finally, thank you. Thank you for giving your time, for listening with your heart, for believing that you can grow.